So this is hyperbola. So we're going to learn what is hyperbola today. So the red one are the hyperbola. As you can see, they seems to be two pairs of parabola facing opposite towards each other. So dalawang parabola na magkatalikod. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. There are four kinds that we're going to learn. Then this one, ang center nasa origin. This one, ang center nasa origin. And this one, atong dalawa naman, ang wala sa origin. So what are we going to do if their centers are not in the origin? So these are the things that we're going to need to learn. So you could screenshot if you are in your cell phone or any gadget. So kailangan lang natin ma-identify again which is A at saka si B at saka si C, because this is the center, these are the vertices, and these are the foci. So ang hyperbola, para silang again dalawang parabola na magkatalikod. So we're going to have now our given, or to solve first our first example. So this is the equation of the hyperbola: x squared over 16 minus y squared over 20 is equal to 1. So we're going to identify saan dyan ang magkapareho. So alam natin na ang kapareho niya ay ito, kasi x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. Hindi naman ito kasi y ang nauna, y ang negative. So ito, x ang positive. So we're going to have this. So ganito mukha ng graph. So this is a squared. As you can see in the graph, this is a squared. This is b squared. So a squared is equal to 16 and b squared is equal to 20. So vertex, center muna, center is 0, 0. The vertex 1 is negative a0. The vertex 2, it's a0. The foci is negative c0. Foci 2, I'm just going to copy it there. It's c0. The asymptote, it's by solving and the equation. This is our equation. So we'll proceed. So we know that a squared is equal to 16. A squared is 16. So what is a? Square root? Square root? What number are you going to multiply? The answer is 16. That's positive 4. B squared is equal to 20. Square root? Square root. B is equal to, the square root of 20 is approximately equal to 4.47. Approximately equal. So next, kailangan natin malaman si C. Paano natin malalaman si C? It's si C, the formula for finding C is C is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. So C is equal to, what is the square root of a squared? What is a squared? That's 16. What is b squared? That's 20. So b squared is 20, so a squared is 16. So C is square root of 36, which is equal to, what is the square root of 36? It's 6. So these are our important matters. So we know that the center is in 0, 0. So 0, 0, that's the center. Next, the V is negative A0. B is negative A. This is A. So negative A, so negative 4, 0. The V2 is A0. So copy si 4, 4, 0. Negative C. Alam natin si C is 6. So negative C is negative 6, 0. C0. So 6, 0. Next, si asymptote naman, to identify si asymptote, what you're going to do is C1, gawin mong 0. So magiging x squared over 16 minus y squared over 20 is equal to 0. Next, ang gagawin mo, ilipat mo yung may x sa kabila. So, negative y squared over 20 is equal to negative x squared over 16. Next, to solve that, you're going to multiply 20 in the numerator. So, negative y squared is equal to negative 20x squared over 16. Cross multiply, magiging 20 times x squared. It's a negative 20x squared. Next, after nyan, you're going to, because this is negative, kailangan positive siya. So you may divide both sides by negative or simply change negative, magiging positive. Next, square root. Kailangan mawala si squared. So how are you going to get that? Kailangan mong mag-square root. So kapag square root mo si x, so yan siya, magiging cancel. Y is equal to square root of 20. What's the square root of x squared? Cancel lang yan. Maging x. Anong number kapag itabi sa sarili niya? Magiging 16. That's 4. Because there is no square root of 20. Anong number kapag itabi sa sarili ng 20? So there's none. So we'll just proceed with the square root of 20 because there is no square root. X over 4. So this is the asymptote. It's positive, negative. So next, we're going to graph now the hyperbola. So to graph the hyperbola, we need the A, the C, and the B. So how are you going to graph that? So first is the center is 0, 0. So here's the center. The vertex is negative 4, 0, negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. We know na ang mukha ng graph is ganito. So next, the foci 1, it's negative 6, 0. Foci 2 is 6, 0. This is foci 2, vertex 2, vertex 1, foci 1. Next, kailangan nating malaman si B. What is B? CB is 4.47. Approximately CB is 4.47. So, galing kay C, you go up and you go down 4.47 units. So, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 47. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 47. We're just going to estimate. And our graph, it's like this. I need my other hand. Galing kay vertex, gumawa ka ng line, ng horizontal line. Gumawa ka ng rectangle passing through this one. Diba yan siya si, hanggang dyan si B. So, gumawa ka ng rectangle. After mong making rectangle, you're going to form the line. These are the asymptotes. After mo mag-form ng line, I hope this is straight. You'll know that ganito na. This is our hyperbola. So this is the hyperbola whose equation is x squared over 16 minus y squared over 20 is equal to 1.